Here we are in the morning watching our beautiful girls find all the worms from last night's rain. There's Goldie, Ella, Danny back there, Daenerys. This one's Arya. And Sansa. Yes, we do like Game of Thrones. And yes, we named our chickens after the characters. Also, we have a new coop that James built for us. So I'm going to give you a little walkthrough of that. So here's the run that they were living in before, just this bottom part. And here's the coop that they now have. Show you what it looks like inside. As you can see, there's a little ramp below so that their entrance into it is below. And inside they have a little roost, just a pretty tree branch. And that's an old feather boa that I wound up so it could be their foster mama while they were babies, and they still love to snuggle it. Heating lamp. And down there's where their water usually goes. And there's their entrance to go down into the chicken run where they spend their nights. And then during the day, all I have to do is prop open this lid here and they just fly right out. And they today look like they're digging through, find all the worms that came out last night and this morning. Happy chickies. Should start getting eggs from them this fall. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.